Hey everybody, this is Wes, Executive Director at the Refuge. Just wanted to give you a quick update on how everything is going over here. We really appreciate your support. We appreciate your prayers. We know that many of you have reached out and checked in on us. As all of you, have been trying to navigate everything related to COVID-19. We've asked a lot of people for advice in terms of figuring out what other programs are doing. We've obviously been tuning in to the governor's updates every day and all of the advice that's being given from health experts, the Center for Disease Control, and really anything we can get our hands on pertaining to the coronavirus and just what we might do to respond appropriately. And so we've done that, and we've really been, our aim in all of this, I guess, to sum it up, has been to ensure the safety and well-being of the men and women that are in our care. And I am happy to say that no one is sick, and my hope and my prayer is that that remains the case, and that, our state's efforts to kind of keep this from getting worse and overwhelming the healthcare system and so on would prove to be effective. And so we're continuing to limit a lot of outside activities, our programming centered around volunteers. And unfortunately, the biggest, I think, upsetting thing for us has been our inability to host orientations. Our orientations being the 2 times a week where we've met with individuals wanting to come into the refuge and in need of help. And we haven't been doing that for the last few weeks. And unfortunately, we're going to continue to put a pause on orientations, but we want to start them back up as soon as possible. We're uncertain of the exact date, but our board is meeting, in the next few days. We as a staff have been talking about this much. There's actually been tears shed over this as we've heard some of your stories of people in need of help. And this really is probably one of the most difficult things that we've had to do in limiting people from being able to come into the ministry. And so if that's you, we're very sorry, and we're praying for you, and we hope that you're able to find support and help somewhere. Like I said, we're working diligently to try to be able to get to a place where we can do orientations in such a manner that we can ensure the safety of the men and women that are here now, and the safety of folks as they enter into the refuge. And so we're working towards that end. We'll continue to keep you posted on when we decide to do that and how it will be done. And so, the big thing for today is just we ask you to continue to support us through your encouragement. You can obviously get on our Facebook page or any of our social media pages and drop us a line of encouragement. If you know somebody in the refuge, you can mention them, and we'll make sure to let them know. But you can also be praying for us. We would much appreciate that. We need it. And if you feel so inclined to give financially towards our mission, we would obviously welcome that as well. And we greatly appreciate your support. And so last thing I'd love to say is I hope you're safe. I hope you're doing well. I hope all of us make it through this whole and healthy, and hope to see you and meet you soon, and hope that everybody's staying home, staying safe, and we'll continue. We'll get through this, and we'll be better for it. So I hope all of you have a great day, and thanks for listening in.